What's up, folks? How's it going? This is Avish here, and welcome to DevOps Challenge Hub. So let's start with today's interview question. And today the interview question is on CloudFront. The question is: your JavaScript changes aren't showing after deploying CloudFront with the default caching. So you deployed your application, you have made some JavaScript changes, and it's not showing up. What is wrong, and how will you solve this problem? You have a CloudFront for your application, and you have deployed certain changes, and user is not seeing that new changes, user is seeing the old one. What is the reason? So problem here, CloudFront caches your content at all edge location. So by default, CloudFront may keep this content for 24 hours. So TTL could be 86,400 seconds. That means 24 hours. So so you have deployed, but it may wait for another 24 hours max. And after that, it will check the origin. That is your S3 or EC2 or whatever, where you have kept the content, and then it will get the original content. And that means if we have updated app.js, CloudFront still serves the old cached version to users until the cache expires. So cache is not expired, that is the problem. CloudFront is serving cached.js, not the new one. So this is the problem here. So what will be the solution? Solution is you do versioning. Suppose app version 1 is cached. Now if we have a new file, say app version 2.js, so it will be a new file. CloudFront will see it as a new file, so no caching conflict. There is no caching conflict. Immediately it will be updated, it will be fetched because it's a new file. So versioning is one option, object versioning. Second option is cache invalidation. So when you upload a new version of file, creates an invalidation in CloudFront. If you go to CloudFront, you will CloudFront from AWS console, you will be able to see create invalidation, and you can mention the path or whatever files you want to invalidate. Means it is basically instruction to the CloudFront that these contents are changed. These contents became invalid in your cache. So you go and fetch it from the origin, from the actual place. You check it out. You get that original. You get the content from the origin. So after invalidation, user will get the latest version from your origin. So what is the downside? Invalidation costs money if you do too often. Okay. Third option is lower cache TTL for static assets. Like for example, if you frequently change items, then you can lower the TTL. Instead of 24 hours, you can reduce to 300 seconds or 5 minutes. Like cache control max is 300 in estimated data. So this way, CloudFront recheck more often. So more often it will get the it will recheck. Downside is less caching efficiency, slightly higher cost or latency, because it has to go and check again and again every 5 minutes. It's not going to solve from its cache. But if it's 24 hours, it may end up serving the old content. So that you have to decide based on the content type what you want to do. So there are three things: object versioning, app version 1.js, app version 2.js. So new file, no caching conflict. Second one is cache invalidation. You create a cache invalidation. You are explicitly telling CloudFront, go and get the file because the whatever you have in your store is invalid. And third option is lower cache detail. That is time to leave. ETL 300 seconds. So what is the problem? Old JavaScript is cached by CloudFront. How to fix? Version file name, app version 2.js. Other options, invalid cache or reduced detail. So that's the answer. So most real world app would use version file names because it's simple, cheap, and cache friendly. So now let's go to the quiz section. You can pause the video, try to answer the quiz. You updated app.js in S3, but CloudFront still shows old version. Why? You know the answer. Why it's showing old version? Because it's cached, right? CloudFront cached old files at edge location because it has cached old files at edge location. A. Answer is A. To make sure new version of JSON are always served without disabling caching, what is the best practice? What can we do? Use version file name, delete CloudFront distribution, turn off caching, move file to EC2. Yes, you can use version file name. Answer is A. You just upload app.js and you want user to immediately access it to CloudFront. What should you do? You can do cache invalidation. Right? That is also possible. Constraint validation you can do. Your web application changes often, and since you want CloudFront to refresh content faster, what would be your approach? So lower cache detail. Cache detail you have to lower it. That's a 200-300 seconds. So to frequently check it the content from the beginning. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also comment how you are finding these videos. And please follow my LinkedIn page, DevOps Challenge. I post quiz contests daily. You can participate in that. And join my WhatsApp communities. Your numbers will be private, secret, and nobody will be able to see. And means your other members won't be able to see. And you can, like I post job updates, interview tips, and career tips. So join my community. You will find the link down below. Thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next video.